You've seen it happen. You reach for her, emotionally or physically, and something in her shifts. Her shoulders tighten, her eyes pull back, her breath changes, her body closes. You didn't do anything wrong, but here's the truth. A woman's guard doesn't rise because of what you say. It rises because of the energy behind it. And the one thing that melts that guard instantly, quietly, beautifully is masculine calm. Her guard isn't a wall, it's a reflex. It comes up when she senses pressure, she feels responsible for your emotions, you're reaching from insecurity, you're seeking reassurance, you're in your head instead of your body. You want something from her before she feels ready. Her guard is her nervous system saying, I don't feel safe enough to soften yet. This isn't about you being wrong, it's about her body protecting itself. Masculine calm is not silence. It's not passivity, it's not shutting down. Masculine calm is your breath dropping lower, your shoulders softening, your presence settling, your attention anchoring into this moment, not the outcome. It's wanting her without needing anything from her. It's emotional steadiness, not emotional absence. It's the feeling of, sir, I'm here, I'm grounded, I'm okay, and I can hold this moment with you. That energy melts her protective reflex faster than anything else. When your presence settles, her body feels it. Not in her mind, in her nervous system. Her breath deepens. Her muscles release. Her chest softens. Her eyes stop scanning for danger or disappointment. She stops bracing. She shifts from self-protection into connection. This is the moment women describe as, I feel safe. I feel held. I can relax now. Masculine calm is the signal her body has been waiting for. It's simple things. You stay steady when she's emotional. You breathe normally instead of tightening. You listen without preparing a defense. You hold her without asking for more. You stay open when she's overwhelmed. You don't collapse when she says not tonight. You don't chase when she backs up. You don't take it personally. You let her storm pass without making yourself the center of it. Your calm gives her permission to come back to herself and to you. It's not shutting down. It's not being cold. It's not pretending to be unbothered. It's not passive agreeing. It's not swallowing your feelings. It's not performing Zen to get a reaction from her. True calm comes from your center, not from strategy. She can feel the difference. Before you respond, breathe. Before you touch her, soften your body. Before you reach for intimacy, ground yourself. Before you escalate, slow down. Feel your feet. Relax your chest. Let your exhale be longer than your inhale, and then meet her from that place. Warm, present, steady, rooted. This is the kind of masculine calm that makes her guard fall away because her body trusts you. Her guard isn't a rejection. It's a request for the kind of presence that doesn't wobble when things get hard. When you bring masculine calm, you don't just soothe her, you awaken her. Because desire doesn't rise in tension, it rises in the safety your steadiness creates. She doesn't need you to be perfect. She just needs you to be here, grounded, steady, calm. That's what melts her guard every time.